Hello kid, today we are going to learn what is safety and why we should be safe at all times and at all places. Well, what does this signboard say? Safety first. But what is safety? Well, safety means you should be fit and fine in all kinds of difficult situations. But how can you do so? Well, you need to be alert because our safety lies in our hands. So, using your common sense and presence of mind, you can be safe at all times, just like a superhero. Well, who is he? He is the great Spider-Man. We all love him. I'm sure you also do, right? We have a long list of superheroes. Spider-Man, Batman, Iron Man, Catwoman. We just love them. But why do we love them? Let's see. Well, can you see a line over here? With great power comes great responsibility. Who said this? Just the gentleman whom we had met, the Spider-Man. Well, do you know what does it mean? It means that when you have got some power, you should use it for the benefit and safety of other people. Like if you see the Spider-Man, he had great power. But did he harm people? Not really. He always ensured the safety of himself and all other people by being responsible. So, you can also be a superhero and have the power if you can be responsible and ensure the safety. Now, what made them superheroes? Was it their ability to fly? Do you think this is the only option why we love superheroes? Because they have a cloak and they can fly? Or was it their ability to do extraordinary things, that they were very powerful? Not really. The correct option is their ability to do normal things extraordinarily. This is the reason why we love our superheroes. Even all of us can be a superhero by doing normal things in an extraordinary way. Do you want to know how to do that? Let's check out. Firstly, when you are at your home, how do you think you can be a superhero? Do you need to put a cloak and fly from one room to another to be a superhero? Not really. You can be a superhero by listening to your parents and loving and caring your brothers and sisters. Not only that, for example, if you are home alone and some stranger comes and opens the door, then what would you do? Would you open the door and let him or her in? Not really. You should see through a door hole whether he is the correct person, whether you know him, and then only you let him or her in. This is a small, simple thing, a normal thing which you have done in a special way, which made you a superhero. Similarly, at school, you can also be a superhero. How? Is it by winning football matches or cricket matches? Not really. You can do it by listening to your teachers, listening to their instructions and obeying them, and being a very good friend to your classmates. How to do that? For example, at your school, you see a teacher coming down a staircase with a large pile of books. What can you do? You can either let her go like she's coming, or else you can take a bit of it and help her by sharing the load. In this way, you can be a superhero. Similarly, if you see a friend fallen on the staircase, what should you do? Would you laugh at him or her because he has fallen and hurt himself? Or would you help him or her go back to their classes? Well, you would be a superhero to them if you would help them get back to their classes. So see, these simple things without extraordinary features can make you a superhero. Not only to yourself, but to your teachers and to your friends at school. Now, the topic is on the road. You would be thinking, how can you be a superhero on the road? There are so many vehicles that are running at such a high speed. There are so many strangers whom you don't even know. Well, you can be a superhero by simply following the traffic signal, because the traffic signal is meant for your safety and other passerby safety as well. So, once you follow the traffic signal, you would ensure you are safe and you are not with meeting any accident. Similarly, if any stranger approaches you, you should not listen to him and go away with him or her blindly. So, you see, by following the simple tips, you can be safe from speedy vehicles as well as strangers, just like a superhero flying on the road. Next, we have got the internet. Oh my God, this is such an important thing. Every day we use it, right? Whether in mobile phones, whether in tab, whether in laptop, whether in PC, we just simply love it. But how can you be a superhero on the internet? Is it by sending a superhero image to your friend through WhatsApp? Not really. You can be a superhero by always asking your parents before downloading the different things over the internet, because that will ensure that you are keeping yourself safe along with your computer and your family members. One more point, my dear kid, you should never ever give out your personal information on the internet, like your home address, your dad's number. Why? Because some bad people can take advantage. They can use those things and come to your home and harm you people. So, by following all these simple tips, you can be a superhero on the internet as well. Now, the most important thing is you should be able to differentiate between the good people and the bad people. Make sure you always keep yourself away from bad people. See, over here, the man is approaching the kid with a toffee. Do you think she would do the correct thing if she would eat it? Not really. So, you should not eat anything and everything given by the strangers to you. Similarly, you should not accept other things given by bad people. Why? Because these things can harm you. So, you should always be safe. So, I'm sure we have learned how we can be safe at all places like school, home, on the road, over the internet by following simple things. That is, to do normal things in an extraordinary way. And hence, you can be a superhero in all the areas and be loved by all the people around you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.